What's going on, guys? It's your boy Brandon, and yes, today, guys, you guys here. Gotta take off my shoes. Yeah, we are gonna scare Nene from the window. It's the video that we're making today, you guys. We're gonna scare Nene. We're gonna go through there, and we're gonna jump over this wall, and we're gonna go over there. You guys, we're gonna go the other way. Oh yeah, we're just gonna go check if Nene is still there. You're there, huh? Is that what? Guys, you guys see Nene's eyes? They're kind of like, oh shit. It was the thing when I went like that, look. When I went like that, so that's why it bumped into my head. Yeah, when it hits the light on dogs, when the light from the camera hits the dog's eyes, it has like those colors. And now it's time to go. Because like, if you guys are hearing those crickets right now, like gritty, not the ones that they're going fast, the ones that are going slow. They came like, there's two types of crickets. But yeah, kind of annoying. They didn't even sleep. They didn't even let me sleep all night. But we're just gonna, I'm so stupid. We are just gonna be pretending that we're going home. We're just, Nene! Nene! Bye! Bye! We got it now. But I don't know if we should go this way or we should go that way because like Nene, he could stare at me, but yeah, we're just gonna go quietly through here. Freaking leaves. What the fuck? Guys, the leaves keep on crunching. But guys, I don't know if you guys can see me perfectly. I almost fell. Oh shit. I just need to shut the light from my phone. I mean from my camera. Because like I don't wanna, because I'm gonna jump over through there. Yeah, I'm gonna jump over through there. And I hope if he sees me, this prank is failed because like we are gonna scare Nene. We're gonna fake scare Nene. But just for right now we're gonna leave the light on. Guys, the thing dropped. You guys, the thing dropped. Like right here is where I practice for the drum. Because like every like evening I always practice right here. Like I always get the drums. Yeah, I always get the drums and then start practicing. Nene already spotted me, but we had to go back, I guess. I know what he thinks what we're doing. Yeah, they pop fireworks right now. It's almost the 4th of July. We only need 2 more months for the 4th of July. And yeah, I'm pretty excited for 4th of July. The fireworks, you guys, like the fireworks stands, they're gonna be up to the 30th, I believe. And I'm gonna make a shopping video, a fireworks shopping video. But yeah, we're gonna go back to scare Nene. Guys, we are going now. My neighbors keep on interrupting my video. Guys, this is impossible. This is freaking impossible. Guys, Nene keeps on like see me through it because he is too like guys, I just put that back already, and like I just fake going inside the house, so then they would think I literally went outside. Wait, yeah, when I went back outside, he thought that I went inside the house when I closed the door, and I did that the second time, and maybe he's gonna believe me. I don't even know what's going in his head, but my neighbors every night always turns on the lights. I'ma easily show you guys later after the trying to scare Nana. You guys, I literally went inside here already because like my parents, they always like watching YouTube videos. And they're like watching YouTube videos, but yeah, I just literally went inside here because I just wanted to. I'm just gonna be here for a while, to scare Nana because like we're gonna shake his cage because like he always gets scared of earthquakes. So like what we're gonna do, is gonna shake the cage very hard, and then he's literally gonna come out of nowhere. But I'm pretty scared to do this, and you guys, I have to switch on my shoes because like my mom really cleaned her room, and I have to get my blue shoes, the girl shoes. I call them girl shoes because like everybody in school, when I used to take those shoes, when I'd be running, they used to be making fun of me. They'd be like, "Girl." So now, you guys saw my first ever vlogs video. Not my first ever vlogs video, but like my second vlogs video that I bought these shoes, and they won't call me girl no more. But yeah, I have like different pair of shoes. I have like these three pair of shoes, but I'm gonna get like when I have more subscribers on YouTube, I'm gonna get like expensive shoes. I just have to tie my shoes because like these shoes don't make that much noise when I fall down, but the other shoes, like the Adidas, the black ones, I use them for yard work. We're gonna jump out the window. He's eating. Guys, he's eating his food already, but we're just gonna wait for a little while, and I'm gonna shake the cage really hard when he's finished eating. But like, I guess in like in 20 minutes, he is gonna finish eating. Okay, guys, my camera's on. I have to be very quiet because like my neighbors always see me through that window. But yeah, we have to go quiet. I got these shoes because I didn't want it to make no noise. We made it. Let's go. We freaking made it. And it's on me, but he literally thought that something was going on. It's so hard. We're gonna shake the trees very hard. My parents didn't even notice that I jumped through the window, but I didn't really tell them that I freaking jumped through the window. Freaking crickets, you're so annoying. Cause like the crickets always does that every night. Guys, this is the time here in California. It's 9:03, and I have school tomorrow. I'm gonna be tired because like clean the yard. I do like a lot of stuff, but like yeah, these like a couple weeks, my videos are gonna be very good. You guys better drop 20 likes for this video for my overnight challenge, top of the roof. But I'm pretty scared to do that. But yeah, see you guys in tomorrow's video, and yeah, I'm gonna try my best on uploading. Yeah, see you guys in tomorrow's video, and I was graduating because like I always have so much stuff to do. So yeah, see you guys in tomorrow's video. It's been your boy Brandon. Peace. And I think I even said it's been your boy Brandon. Peace. Yes. Alright. Oh well. Peace.